Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing. On today's tech tip, once again, we're talking about your favorite subject, propellers. What we have here today, we're going to talk about the adapter rings that go on these. And these are very important. Got a Michigan wheel, a couple Michigan wheels, a turning point, and the Johnson Evinrude Hydrus here, which is primarily used on the pontoon applications. What these rings do is they take the void up in the back by the lower unit, by the labyrinth seal. And it's really important that you get these on there. If they're not on there, the propeller, what's called blowout, you get way too much exhaust. The exhaust won't be channeled through the propeller, it'll come out around the blades. So this style here clips on the prop. This one clips on the propeller. This one clips on the propeller also. What makes the Johnson Evinrude different, this particular piece goes in the lower unit itself. So all these come with instructions and applications that it goes on. Hope this helps you out. And remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.